here at CADconverters, and in this video I'm going to create some grid lines within Autodesk Revit. I've got a CAD file as an underlay here just to sort of use as my reference while going through the videos. You don't have to have a CAD file in to use grid lines, but we've started with a CAD file, so we might as well use it. So in the Architecture tab, right the way across, in the Datum panel, you'll see you've got grid. So the short key being GR for grids, and basically you're just drawing a line which represents a grid. So I'm going to left click on that. The Place Grid tab appears. You'll notice again it goes green, and then the Draw panel, you'll see you've got line, start end radius, center end arc, and pick line. So I'm going to use line and that one very shortly. So we'll start with line. So to draw a grid line, it's a two-click process. You literally left click once, draw it the angle that you want or wherever you want to place it, left click again, and that's your grid line. That's it. I'm just going to work on this one for a second and we'll go through the others. So I'm going to select modify, select the grid line again, and you'll notice a couple of sort of icons up here. I'll start over here. You've got a little tick box there, a little sort of neck there, elbow, and then you've got a grip. So I'm going to select, if I untick that, you'll notice the bubble disappears. So I'm going to click that again so it reappears. If I click the neck, you'll notice that you can sort of shape holder, and you can sort of move it to where you want. Just put that back. To put that back, you just go straight the way up, and then you've got a little blue circle that you can use to pull it along as you need to. So at the moment, that obviously says B. I might need that to say A, X, whatever. But to change it, you just double click onto it and then select the key that, or letter, whatever you need, and then left click again. It doesn't have to be a single letter or number. So at the other end, you'll notice that there's no bubble. So to turn the bubble on, little square there, and then voila, turns it on. Now I'm going to delete that, and then go through that again. So back in the Architecture tab, in the Datum panel, we've got grid. Now this time I'm going to use the CAD underlay and draw over the existing CAD file that's there. So if I hover over, you'll notice that you see the snap point and then there's an end point. So I'm going to use grid A in the CAD file to start with. So left click all the way across. I'm just going to go just past A there, left click again. You'll notice that a padlock appears. Now if you click that, that will lock to the CAD file. So say if you updated the CAD file in AutoCAD, reloaded that in, this grid line would move with it. But we don't need to get to that just yet. So at the moment I'm just going to select modify to come out of that. Double click on the letter again, change that to A, click out into a blank space, and I've got A. I'm going to go to the other end, turn on that, and you can see I've got A there. I'm just going to pull that back just so you can see the two together. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it, if you wanted to, is go back to grid, and then you see this one here, pick line. It's a very good tool, this one. It's a shame AutoCAD doesn't have this, but it's a great tool and saves you a lot of time. So I'm going to select that pick line. What that basically means is if I hover over the CAD file there, it will use that CAD line to add a grid in for me. So I'm going to select, say B, left click on it, that's added the grid line in. I'll select C, added the grid line in. It's as simple as that. So that's a really good tool. So I'm going to come out of that again, click that one, turn on the bubble, just pull that back a bit there. So you notice these extension lines up here. So A to B is slightly out of sync. So if I select the little circle to the right of A, pull that across, you'll see that that sort of shows it's in line, which is how I want it. Then if I clicked A and move that, all A, B and C move. So that's quite a useful tool, as I like to do. So I'm just going to add the other ones in, the other grid lines in, using pick lines. Click that one, that one, that one, and that one. Select modify, go down to the bottom, and you'll notice it's gone D, E, F, G. So Revit sort of tries to help you out by sort of giving you what it thinks is coming next. So after obviously C would be D. Now we don't want that, so I could sort of come into here, change that to 1, and then click, go across to select it to 2, so on and so on and so on the way down. I'm just going to delete F and G and select the grid line just to sort of show you. This time I'm going to draw it in. If I click there, go down, because the last one was 2, Revit's trying to help, it puts 3 in. Then if I go to pick line, select that line, final one, that'll add 4 in for me. So that's grid lines. There is another advanced bit in grid lines for multi-segment. Sorry. All that basically is you can just sort of do it in pieces, like so. So that's it for grid lines, really, to be honest. I just want to go through the south view. So I'm going to double click on south, and you notice that the grid lines appear in the south view. So now we're looking from the CAD file, which is that sort of pink line just behind there. So we're looking sideways on, if you like, and the grid lines have appeared there. If I go to the 3D view, they don't appear, which is a bit of a shame. It would be nice to have the sort of grid lines appear in the 2D and the 3D view, particularly where a lot of the time you're working in the 3D view just as much as your 2D views. But they might have to add that into later releases. So thank you for watching.